Hello student, Assalamu alaikum. This is Laiba Tariq, your biology instructor from tutoria.pk. Today we are doing your chapter 20, that is the chromosomes and DNA. Let's start with the exercise. तो exercise में हम लोग सबसे पहले fill in the blanks करें. So the first fill in the blank is the particular transfer RNA molecule that become attached to the specific amino acid through the action of activating enzyme called amino acid transfer RNA synthetase. Second है dash is the transfer of genetic material from one cell to another and can alter the genetic makeup of the recipient cell. तो इसमें आना है transformation. Third है in a bacteria a subunit of RNA polymerase called the dash recognize the sequence in the promoter and bind the RNA polymerase there. तो इसमें हमारे पास आना है sigma factor. Fourth है a typical human chromosome contain about the dash nucleotide in its DNA. तो इसका right answer है 140 million nucleotide. Fifth है Miser extracted a white substance from the nuclei of the human cell and fish sperm and called this nuclein. इसके साथ ही हमारे fill in the blanks complete हो गए. In the next topic we will discuss the true false.